Well, g'day gang, we're back at the HR. Plan today at least to get this pan down and weld it in. I'm going to get the brush and give it a real good wire brush and then a grind up, clean up. It'll all get treated with rust killer and the rest of it after it gets brushed later on, so just trimming up the pan. When I've got that somewhere close to the next stage, I'll bring you back. Probably should have brought my mask and my hearing protection, but you know. So I'm pretty happy with the shape of the floor. I'm just going to drill a couple of holes in this panel here so that we can weld it down into there. We're going to lap weld over this one and lap weld into the back one, and I'm going to try and butt weld into there. That's the plan. If you like. If you want to do that, I don't want to turn that red wood away. That's more on my side. Know where we've got the pans at rare spares. Yeah, right, rare spares, retro spares. Okay, I'll just grind it. Some surfaces there, get rid of some of that stuff. Sit her in place and start to burn her in. There we are, right there. Yeah. Look. What happened? Some of it's really, really thin, but you know, catch up with it eventually. There, by the look of that. Doubt there's something missed there. That's cool, we can get back to that. a bit empty, doesn't it? Good at welding holes. Yeah, so when you've got something that can stick to it, it's not too bad. Yeah, I'll give you a look, a little closer. I'll be good at welding when I'm done with this. When you can get it to stick to something, it's not too bad. Yeah, gets a bit ugly up there. We'll see what happens around that corner and up along here. Just keep going with it for a little bit. Bring you back later. Well, may not be pretty, but we've got a good grinder. Worry about that later, but everything seems to be attached. Best part of, even though it's not pretty. And we've got some holes up in here. I'm probably going to have to cut a strip or something and put it in there, most likely. All that's pretty much in. We come down here, we've got a few holes. And we've got to make this little section in here. Looks like we're attached here, and I missed here by a little bit. But, you know, we'll get the majority of this in there and then we'll grind it down and touch up any bits that need touching up and move on to the next one. Yeah. I've about had enough of this welding and stuff today, so that's where we're at, the plan number one. We're just about in. Have yourselves a goodie. We'll check you later. Cheers.